Okay, so this is problem number 12 on the Math Excel on factoring. Okay, so I have n squared minus 13n plus 40. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write out what my a, b, and c is. So a, b, and c. So a is going to be 1 because there is no leading coefficient. B is negative 13, and c is 40. Okay, so I'm going to do my x method here. And I'm going to put 1 times 40, which is just 40, on top. And I'm going to do negative 13 on the bottom. Now, I'm going to look for two numbers that multiply together to be 40, but also add up to negative 13. Okay, so let's see. So numbers that multiply to be 40. So 40 divided by 1 is 40. And let's see, so if I add those together, I'm going to get 41. That's no good. 40 divided by 2 is 20. But if I add those together, I'm going to get 22. That's no good. If I do 40 divided by 3, that's not going to work. 40 divided by 4 is 10. If I add those together, I get 14, not quite. 40 divided by 5 is 8, and I add those together, I get 13. So instead of positive 13, I want negative 13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make both numbers negative. Okay, so negative 5 times negative 8 is still positive 40, but negative 5 plus negative 8 is going to give you negative 13. So negative 5, negative 8. That means that my final answer is going to be n minus 5, n minus 8. Okay, and you could also write this as n minus 8 and n minus 5. And also, if I wanted to check my work to make sure that I did it correctly, if I FOILed everything out, right? So if I did that times that, that times that, so I'd have n squared minus 5n minus 8n plus 40, and then combine the like terms, so I get n squared minus 13n plus 40, so I get what I started with. So that means that I did do my work correctly, so this is the answer, or this could be the answer too. Okay? Keep asking questions, I'll keep making videos.